Okay, so thankfully Shiba Inu is not listed on this list that we're going to talk about in this video because something is happening in early July that is going to be damaging to some altcoins, at least in the short term. And we're talking massive sell-offs. We're going to take a look at this list. And again, Shiba Inu not on it, and this is bullish. SHIB up 9% in the last week and up slightly here in the last hour, down slightly in the last 24. We're sitting right at that 7-8 level. We've kind of been hovering right here in the high 7s, low 8s for a little while. Rank number 18, still a market cap of $4.6 billion, sandwiched right there in between Bitcoin Cash and Avalanche. Now, you can see Bitcoin Cash has made some significant strides. This is all on the heels of the EDX market exchange listing Bitcoin Cash as one of the 4 cryptocurrencies. Of course, that exchange is being run by all the major players, Citadel, Fidelity, and company. So Bitcoin Cash up 108% in the last 7 days. But SHIB not on this list. And no, we're not talking about anything with the SEC. We're not talking about any of those lists, even though that's bullish too. The fact that SHIB has not been listed by the SEC as potentially a security. And we know why. We talked about that in our video yesterday as to why that is, because it's completely decentralized. There are no governing bodies. There are no one person or persons that you can go to. There wasn't an initial coin offering, all of those sort of things. But this is another list that's concerning for some altcoins, but again, SHIB's not on it. So let's dive into it, because remember Celsius, the company that went bankrupt? Well, they are getting ready to offload a lot of their assets. Now, this isn't all bad, because they've already said that they're going to be moving these assets, which combined here are worth $215 million. They're finding a way to try to get back their money. I don't even know if they have plans to keep it open or what have you, but here's their plan. They're going to sell all these tokens on this list and move it into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, again, Shiba Inu not on this list, so that's good. So we could see some price drops as we get into early July. And again, the sell token number 1 on that list, Matic Polygon is up there, ADA, Cardano, Link, Litecoin, DOT, Bitcoin Cash, Aave, BNB, and then there's just some smaller numbers here. Really, when you get into like the 5 million, 4 million, 3 million, that's really not going to be a huge blip on some of these big market caps like Uniswap, BNB, Aave, what have you. Now, the sell token will drop significantly. Matic could as well. And the thing is, will this trigger more sell-offs, right? We'll have to wait and see. But the fact that SHIB's not listed on this at all is bullish. Maybe some of this money will resurface into SHIB and some of the other altcoins. We'll see. Celsius has come out and said, again, that they plan on moving all of this money. I don't know how much into Bitcoin, how much into Ethereum, but they will move all that money into these 2 assets, again, starting in early July. July 1st is the target date that I've read. We'll see. We'll keep tabs on that for you. But again, SHIB not on this list, so that's pretty bullish for sure. Now, if we go back up, Lucy recently said the SHIB is suffering because of bankrupt exchanges selling their assets. Again, good thing Celsius isn't selling SHIB. They don't have it. But this is true. I mean, there are some exchanges out there going bankrupt, and a lot of these exchanges do hold SHIB. They're forced to sell. The other thing here is it's not just exchanges selling their assets, it's panic sellers selling their assets, especially during all the SEC FUD and what have you. She goes on to say, how do we prevent this? Use DeFi, move your tokens off of exchanges. Agree 100% here. We've been talking about this for a very long time. Nobody's safe when it comes to centralized exchanges, especially now with EDX coming out. They are looking to basically attack everything that is not controlled by them, right? That goes for Coinbase, goes for Binance, goes for the small and big exchanges. Doesn't matter. The only way around it is take control of your crypto, own your own private keys, keep your crypto in a DeFi wallet, get a ledger, whatever you want to do, hot wallet, cold wallet. Look at all the options out there. There's a ton of different ways you can do it. You can utilize multiple strategies as well. But I think this is an important point and important to always come back to this, because new people are coming into the space all the time. And the easiest way to get crypto is where? On a centralized exchange, right? So hopefully this video helps. And again, good thing Shiba Inu is not on this list. We'll see how it impacts the rest of the altcoin market as we get closer to July. We'll see you in the next video.